Hello students, today we will talk about the next HTML program. In this I will teach you how to make your text bold, italic, underline, use of superscript and subscript, how to insert line break and how to insert any line, one horizontal line in your HTML program. Okay, so for that again we have to start Notepad. I think all of you know how to start Notepad. If you don't know, you can watch my first program. I'll share the link here again. Okay, so I have already opened my Notepad and I have typed the basic structure of it. Okay, now as I have to start, I have to make some changes in it. So first of all, you need to write the title. Here I am showing you the use of bold, italic, underline, then HR, horizontal rule, and superscript and subscript. So these things will be shown to you in your title bar of your browser. Okay, then here I have closed the head. Now in this body you have to start the work. So first of all I'll show you how to use these three things: bold, italic, underline. Okay, so I am writing this B tag, and here you can write anything. Suppose I am writing St. Stephen School. Okay, then B close, then use of italic I. This one is your bold. Okay, this one is for your italic. Here I am writing St. Anselm School, then I close. You can write it in small or capital, there is no problem. Okay, then third one is underline. So you here St. Francis School, then you close. Okay, now you have to save it. Today I'll show you how to save it in your any of the drive. I'm showing you how to save it in C drive. Okay, so click on file, click on save. You can use shortcut key Control S. This dialog box will open. Here I have to show save it in C drive, so I'm selecting this local disk C. Okay, then click on this file name. I'm giving name bold. Okay, you can give any name, but after this name .html is must. Okay, now save it. Okay, look, as admin I have not allowed this, so again I have to save it on desktop only. Okay, so I am saving it on desktop, bold.html. Okay, now minimize this. No need to close it, just minimize from here. Here you can see your HTML program. It is saved. If it is saved properly, it will be shown here. Okay, now double click on this and you will get this in front of you. Look, this is the example of bold from here till here. Then look, here it is italic, and here is the underline. Look, all three. Now if you say, sir, here in this notepad we have written them in different lines, but here in HTML they are coming in a single line. So for that I'll show you the use of next BR tag, that is line break. So where you want to break the line, after that you have to write this BR. Then here again BR. Look, after this St. Stephen School I want to break line, that's why I have written break here. Then after this St. Anselm I want to show this St. Francis in new line, that's why I have written BR here. Now here no need to write because we don't have anything below it. So again click on file, save. Now look, we have already opened that. It is opened here. Look at the taskbar. Look at my mouse. You have to click on this and you have to click on this button, or you can say press the F5 key from your keyboard. Now look, line is changed. That is the use of BR, line break. That is the important, you can say important attribute, or you can say command is in that HTML. It helps you to break the line. Okay, you can break line from here also. Look, if I write it here, BR, let's see what happens. Click on file, save, again open this Chrome from here and refresh. Look, so it is not compulsory that you write BR at the end. You can write it anywhere, and from that your line will be break. Okay, now next we have talked about bold, italic, underline, and this BR. Now next one is HR, horizontal rule. If you want to insert one line, if you want to draw one line, so how you can do it, I'm showing you. Just after body, press the enter key. Now here you have to write HR, bracket close. Okay, now save it. Again click on file, save, and move to this and press F5 key. You will see some change here. Look properly. Look, this is the new line. Now we have some attributes for it also. If you say, sir, I want to change the line color, no problem. Just after this HR, COLOR equal to, and suppose I want it in orange. Double comma is compulsory, keep in mind. Save. Now click on this and F5. Look, color is changed. If you say, sir, I want to increase the size of it, look, here we have two attributes. One is size, one is width. If we talk about width, we will increase the size or decrease the size of the line horizontally. And if we talk about the size, it will increase or decrease the size vertically. Okay, I'll show you both. First of all, I am showing you the use of width, width equal to, here I am writing 50%. Okay, now let's save it. I'm pressing the shortcut key Control S. Now here F5. Look, the size is changed horizontally if I have used this width. Now if I use size equal to double comma, and here I am writing 20%, double comma close, Control S and F5. Look, okay, so these are the three important attributes: color, width, and size. Again, width will increase or decrease the size horizontally like this, and size will decrease or increase the size vertically like this. Okay, keep in mind. Now, how to use superscript and subscript? Again, I am reminding you, in our Word Excel also we have these things. Superscript, I think in your maths you write x square plus y square. So whenever you put that 2 as a power, that is called superscript. And in your chemistry, if you write H2SO4 or H2O, when you put your 2 in the base, that is called subscript. Okay, so here just after this I am showing you. Again, here I am applying the BR tag. Okay, now suppose I want to write Ajmer. Okay, x square plus y square I have to write. So x simple, then SUP for superscript, 2, here super close. Okay, then plus sign, x square plus y square, again SUP, 2 SUP close. Look, I have to apply 2 as a power, that's why I have written it in between SUP. SUP starting, then 2 SUP closing. Here also SUP starting, 2 SUP closing. Okay, now let's save it and run it in browser. Look, x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square. Now if you say H2SO4, so simple H, then SUB, 2 SUB close. Okay, then SO, then SUB, 4 SUB. Okay, this one is important. Keep in mind, you have to revise it again and again, twice or thrice. Again save it. Now click on this and press F5. Look, H2SO4, only 2 and 4 is coming as base, otherwise all are coming in the base. Okay, now if you say, sir, again I want to show this H2SO4 in new line, so again go to this, just after this put BR. Okay, then save, F5. Okay, now one more thing, for each line break you can apply more than one BR also. Suppose if you say, sir, I want to leave one line space between each name. Suppose after this school I want to leave one blank here, then I want to see Anselm, then again after this I want to see it blank, then Francis. So you can apply BR here. Look, BR, you can say one BR for one line break. Okay, one BR for one. Now let's save it, F5. Look, here one BR, here one BR, one BR, one BR. Okay, so these are the important things. You have to try it by your own. We will continue in our next video. Okay.